I'm here to do the interview for the Explorer Swiss Army knife. I just got it in the mail from Amazon.com. There's a whole package there. Just open it up. I already looked at the knife. It looks pretty cool. The only thing I don't like about the knife now is the magnifying glass. You see here, it's all plastic. No, not reinforced plastic, but just plastic. The picture's way different, and it's, you know, you can already bend it just by barely touching it. I mean, it doesn't feel that secure. Other than that, the knife is pretty awesome. I like it. The problem is the pouch. They put their emblem on it, which they should be ashamed of, because the pouch is low quality. It's made in China, which not all Chinese things are bad, but it's poorly made. It's not leather, it's vinyl. This little clip. But, you know, that wouldn't bother me too much, except the knife really doesn't fit in. Like it should. Check it out. The knife's in. Try to buckle it is. Is a bit of a deal here. So, it sticks out a bit. I don't think this pouch will last too long, maybe a couple weeks. And I put the slim part up there